Good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you all are fantastic. I, Priyanka, welcome to all on online EVS class at home. Today we are going to cover day 2 of unit 3. And what is that? States of matter and force. In our previous class, we have discussed about the 3 states of matter. And what are these? Solids, liquids and gases. Now I'll show you a CRL and you will watch the CRL carefully. Okay?
Solid, solid, liquid, 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 liquid. And then there is gas, then there is gas. 3 states of matter, the 3 states of matter, and that is that. Solid, 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 solid. They have a shape, they have a shape. Only force can break them, only force can break them, and then they break, and then they break. Liquids, 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 liquids. See them flow, see them flow. Pour them into something, pour them into something, and then you will know, and then you will know. Gases, 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 gases. They can't be seen, they can't be seen. They are invisible, but they float around me, they float around me.
Solid, 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 solid. Liquid, 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 liquid. And then there is gas, then there is gas. The 3 states of matter, the 3 states of matter. And that is that, and that is that. Solid, 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 solid. They have a shape, they have a shape. Only force can break them, only force can break them. And then they break, and then they break. Liquids, 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 liquids. See them flow, see them flow. Pour them into something, pour them into something, and then you will know, and then you will know. Gases, 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 gases. They can't be seen, they can't be seen. They are invisible, they are invisible. But they float around me, they float around me. Now can you see what is in my hand? Yes, a book. Now a glass of water. And what is this? A balloon. Now you will tell me what is their state of matter. First of all, you will tell the state of matter of a book. Its shape is fixed now. So, it is solid. Very good. Now, a glass of water. You will tell me the shape of water. Yes, keeps changing. So, what it is? Liquid. Now, you will tell me what is inside the balloon? Yes, air. And what is air? Gas. Okay. Now can you tell me how are they different? ये different कैसे हैं? The book has a definite shape and जिसकी definite shape होती है वो क्या होती है? Solids. Okay. Its shape is fixed. And a glass of water shape is changing, so it is liquid and it doesn't have fixed shape. It takes the shape of the glass. और जिस भी कंटेनर में हम इसको डालेंगे ये उसी की शेप ले लेता है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? बैलून. बैलून के अंदर क्या है? एयर. एंड एयर इज अ गैस. सो एयर फिल्स अप अ balloon. Okay. If I'll inflate the balloon, then air fills inside the balloon. And if I'll deflate it, then what happened? Air comes outside, means gas comes outside. You can see. Okay. Matter is made पार्टिकल्स। जो मैटर होता है बेटा वो छोटे छोटे टाइनी पार्टिकल्स से मिलके बना होता है। एंड इफ वी कुड लुक वेरी क्लोजली we could see that everything around us is made up of small particles, and the way these particles are arranged determines the states of matter and makes them different. Means वो किस तरीके से arranged है वो क्या बताता है, state of matter बताता है, different states of matter बताता है, whether it is solid, whether it is liquid or whether it is gas. Okay. Now let us try to understand how particles are arranged in the solids. Okay, we will do a small activity. बेटा, you are not in the school. अगर आप स्कूल में होते तो हम इस एक्टिविटी को क्लास में करते. So you will do this activity with your friends. Okay. During playing, you can do this activity. You will stand close to each other like this pig with your friends. Okay, आप ऐसे ही खड़े होंगे and there is not any gap for the friends to move. ठीक है, यानी कि बिल्कुल भी गैप नहीं होना चाहिए जिससे कि आप इधर उधर हो सको. ठीक है, तो this represents particle arrangement in the solids. तो जो solids के जो particles होते हैं बेटा वो भी इतने टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं कि उनके बीच में कोई भी स्पेस नहीं होता, जगह नहीं होती जिसकी वजह से वो मूव कर सके. सो दिस टाइट अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स गिव सॉलिड्स इट्स डेफिनेट शेप. ओके, तो सॉलिड्स आर टाइटली पैक्ड जिसकी वजह से उनकी जो शेप होती है वो बिल्कुल डेफिनेट होती है. ओके. Now beta you will tell me if the particles are arranged like this then what happen? Is there space between the particles? Yes, there is space between the particles and they can move easily. But if the particles are arranged tightly then they can't move like this. So in solids the particles are arranged like this. Okay, जिसमें मूवमेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती है एंड पार्टिकल्स आर अरेंज्ड टाइटली और यू कैन से क्लोजली इन द सॉलिड्स. दिस इज हाउ पार्टिकल्स आर अरेंज्ड इन द सॉलिड्स एंड दे आर टाइटली पैक्ड एंड देयरफॉर दे कांट मूव एंड दिस गिव्स अ डेफिनेट शेप टू द सॉलिड्स. मींस यू कैन सी जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं इन द सॉलिड्स दे कांट मूव. मीन्स वो बिल्कुल इतने टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं बेटा कि उनके बीच में स्पेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे कांट मूव फ्रीली. सो इसीलिए उनकी शेप कैसी होती है, फिक्स्ड शेप होती है. ओके, यू कैन सी द शेप ऑफ डिफरेंट सॉलिड्स. डस्टर यू कैन सी पेन, you can see marker. So these solids can't change their shape. Okay, they have fixed shape and that is known as definite shape. Now beta, you will open your student reader. I'll count down 10 to 1 and you will open your SR. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I hope you have opened your SR. You will tell me, can the shape of a solid be easily changed? Solids की shape easily change हो जाती है like this. क्या इसकी shape change हो जाएगी? No. Okay. So why do solids have a definite shape? जो solids होते हैं उनकी definite shape क्यों होती है? Because the particles are closely packed or you can say tightly packed. Now I'll show you a CRL and you will follow the steps and you will do this activity yourself. Okay, beta, this one activity also you will do with your friends. Group activity, particle arrangement in the solids. First step, draw an apple as shown above in the chart given to your group. यानी कि पहले आप एक एप्पल की शेप ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, देन the next step is Prepare small particles as shown. You may use any color using the Play-Doh or आटा, और you can use even जो हमारे पेपर होते हैं ना, पेपर होता है, पेपर के ऊपर आप कलर करके इस टाइप से आप पार्टिकल बना लेंगे. अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज बिंदी. बिंदी जो आपकी मम्मा लगाती है ना, आप उसको भी यूज कर सकते हो एज अ पार्टिकल. ओके, then you will follow the step 3. Start arranging the particles made in the apple closely so that there is not any space among the particles. फिर आप उन particles को क्या करोगे, आप बिल्कुल पास पास रखोगे और उनको पेस्ट कर दोगे. In your groups, think how are the particles arranged in any solid. Okay, now you can see this is how the particle arrangement in a solid should look like. यानी कि जो solids हैं उनके अंदर जो particles हैं वो इस टाइप से दिखते हैं, बिल्कुल टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं बेटा. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, आपको यहाँ पर बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स दिख रहे हैं, है ना, बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स, और ये बिल्कुल आपस में क्लोजली पैक्ड है. इनके बीच में बिल्कुल भी स्पेस नहीं है जिससे कि ये मूव कर सके. सो दैट्स वाई जो हमारे सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो बिल्कुल टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं बेटा. Thus, we see that particles are tightly arranged in solids. This arrangement of particles gives solids their definite shape. तो जो tightly arrangement होती है बेटा, उससे जो definite shape है वो मिलती है solids को. Okay? बेटा, today we learned how particles are tightly packed in the solids. Due to such a tight arrangement of particles, solids have a definite shape and that cannot be changed easily. Okay? Now let's discuss the homework. You will do question number 1 and question number 2 in worksheet 2. Okay? Bye. Happy learning.